everybody, this is Paul Neeson with the Raw Life Health Show. I'm so excited to announce the next Raw Food Retreat here in Florida is going to be March 16th, 17th, and 18th. And just like our previous retreats, we're going to have great teachers. We're going to have a raw food chef, Rita Romano, making all the food. We're going to have food demonstrations, but this retreat is going to be different than all the other ones because we are going to have an extra special guest, 88-year-old, 60-year raw vegan, Dr. Fred Bishy will be joining us for the retreat this time. So you're going to want to make your reservations now. This retreat will sell out. We're limited on spacing. But you can check out all the links below the video to the speakers who will be there and the things that will be happening. You can see pictures and things from previous retreats. But Dr. Fred Bishy, who I've known for many years, I interviewed him in my first book, The Raw Life, back in 2000, is still thriving at 88 years old on a raw vegan diet. So come on out and hang out with Dr. Fred Bishy, myself, and a whole bunch of other people at the Florida Raw Food Retreat happening March 16th, 17th, and 18th. And be prepared to just have a weekend of amazing food, to learn how to make the food with the raw food demos, and also great information by other wonderful speakers. All the information is below. If you have comments or questions, just contact me at the number below, and we look forward to seeing you at the Raw Food Retreat in March. So tell everybody your name and about your experience here at the retreat.
I'm Melanie Campanis, and I've had a wonderful time here. The food has been incredible, and the fellowship even equally as good, if not better. And I've just really been inspired to renew my raw food journey, so I'm very pleased.
Great, thank you. Do you want to say something?
My name is Lucy Rich, and I'm from Oklahoma. And I just wanted to come and see how everything was working and see if I could get myself to feeling better.
You feel better?
Well, yeah. My friend that's with me, she says I have more color in my face than I did 2 or 3 days ago.
Great. Wait. Okay.
I'm feeling really good. I've been working a lot lately, and I came to the retreat and I was kind of falling asleep that Friday, and I was like, you know what, I really need to reinvigorate and go to a higher percentage raw so I can stay energetic, so I can for my work, and then I can be there for my free time. So I'm going to go and reinvigorate the routine that I had and add more to me.
Great. Melissa?
Yes, hi, my name is Millicent, and here at the Raw Retreat, because I've been at a crossroad in my life deciding whether to be vegan or whether to go raw. And this retreat has really opened my eyes up as to what to expect, and it's really great. The food is great, and it's beyond my expectations. So I'm glad to be here, and I feel as if I gained some weight while being here.
Okay. Okay, Teddy.
My name is Teddy Jackson, and I have truly enjoyed this retreat. I've enjoyed the fellowship and meeting everybody and learning about everybody and their journey with the raw food or wherever they may be. And so much information that I think will help me stick to the raw diet when I'm at those moments where I don't know, where I'm tempted to eat something else. I can just fall back on all the great information I had here, and hopefully they'll keep me going and keep me raw.
Hi, I'm Fran Capoccia, and I really enjoyed all the different speakers and the variety of raw chefs, and it really just renewed my mind in terms of some new ideas or new ways of preparing things. So I really appreciate that.
Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Debbie from New York, and I am very, very happy I did this. Came to the retreat to learn more because I always like to take it a little higher to the next level. I loved hearing the lectures, Paul's lectures especially, and the food demos were great. And I just always had an interest in health and nutrition, and I just felt this was a good way to learn more. So I'm happy to say that it was everything I expected it to be, and I highly recommend it.
Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Andrea Dovner. I loved being here with these lovely people, eating lovely, amazing, delicious food, and gleaning so many new things of information that I did not know. I think what it really did was reignited the inspiration to really take care of myself better as I get older and be invigorated by the possibility that I could have so much energy that I wouldn't know what to do with. So I'm hoping that I can work that path together with my husband.
Great, great.
Hi, my name is George Sanchez. This is the third retreat that I attend with Paul. They're always excellent. There's always something new to learn. The food was very filling. I thought I could eat more, and then all of a sudden I realized that's it, I don't need to eat anymore. A lot of nutrition, great rebooting, noticing that I could do more in my life to stay healthier. I've made great improvements since the last retreat, but I feel every time I come, I get something more, and that's why I keep coming.
Thank you, thank you. May everyone follow your example and come again. All right. Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Pamela Carrillo from Arkansas. I've been following Paul for a few years now. I love his talks, and recently he mentioned this conference, and within a week I told my husband I want to go, and we're here, and I am so glad that we came because it was very informative. You're never hungry because all the demonstrations, they're making food and preparing it, and you get to learn so much while you're here. So I'm very grateful that I came, and hopefully I'll come again.
My name is Robert Carrillo. I'm with Cancer Tutor, and we're here to investigate the raw food movement and how it might benefit those on their cancer journey. I think if you come to the conference, you'll walk away with some very helpful tips and information on how to incorporate some great tasty meals into your diet that are going to enhance your health overall in your cancer journey. So Paul did a good job, and we really appreciate the fact that it's here to help and assist people in their journey.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's come around here. Thank you. Look at that. Back here, okay.
My name is Carol Neal, and this is Joanna. And we heard about a raw food retreat that you had a couple of years ago, and we weren't able to come. And in spite of a pretty healthy diet, I developed high blood pressure this summer that was uncontrollable, and was told that by some doctors that it's genetic and there's nothing I can do about it but deal with the fact that I'm going to have to take meds, and I'm not okay with that. So we found out you were going to do this in December, and Joanna said, I think we can do that this time. So we saved up some money really quickly here, and I love every bit of it, and we're looking forward to going home and sharing it with our family. They're waiting for recipes and to taste everything that we tasted, and we're excited about it. I feel better. I do feel better.
Great, thank you.
Love it.
Want to say anything? Or are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. No.
We're Cliff and Connie Joyner. We're from Punta Gorda, Florida. My wife surprised me on this wonderful vacation to a raw food conference, and actually I'm glad that we came here. I've known many people that have had cancer and other things, and through raw food and juicing, their cancer went away when the doctors told them that they were going to pass away. And honestly, the last 2 nights I've been able to sleep all night without having to wake up or get up, and I can feel a difference already. So thank you so much to all the guests and to you, Paul.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Robert.
Paul, it has been wonderful with the capital W for many different reasons, and I will see you in March.
All right, next retreat. All right, Jerry.
Hey Paul, I'm Jerry Dovner from Sarasota, Florida. I echo the sentiments that my wife Andrea mentioned a moment ago regarding this great experience. I think coming with your wife or your spouse is a wonderful thing because it creates more harmony for all of us. And again, I want to thank Paul for this great experience. It was just fantastic, and I hope more people can find their way here.
Great, thank you. Hello everybody, it's Paul Nisa with the Raw Life Health Show. I'm here with my daughters Noah and Ayla, and we're here to make a video telling you about a new announcement. Our next Raw Food Retreat is going to be March 16th, 17th, and 18th here in South Florida. What did you girls think about the last retreat?
It was really cool. We met a lot of cool people.
And what did you think of the food at the retreat?
It was delicious.
Yes, yes. And we are going to be doing it again, and we got special guest Dr. Fred Bishie, 88 years old. He's been eating a raw vegan diet for over 60 years. Who will be joining us for the retreat this time, plus our same usual amazing speakers, the great raw food demos that we have there, and just the fellowship with all the people that come. We're limited on space, so put your reservations in soon if you want to sign up for the Florida Raw Food Health Retreat. You can contact me at the number below the video. What else do you want to say about the retreat?
It was fun.
It was more than fun. It was so much great knowledge and education and information, and it was fun also. What do you want to say?
There was a bunch of people and they were talking a lot.
Yeah, a bunch of people talking a lot about good, healthy stuff. So join us at the retreat March 16th, 17th, and 18th here in South Florida, and get out of the cold weather up north and come down south and enjoy the good weather. All right, everybody, we'll see you at the retreat. Bye.
Bye.